Hello Year 3, welcome to our final science lesson. Now this week you have learnt lots about magnets and forces. Now let's see what you can remember with a quick quiz. Now the first question is, which one of these needs a push force? Is it picking up a bag, dialing a phone, shooting a bow and arrow, or opening a car door? Have a little think. Did you get it? It's dialing a phone because you need to push the buttons of the phone to make them move. Picking up a bag, shooting a bow and arrow, and opening a car door are all examples of pull forces. Which one of these four options needs a pull force? Is it ringing a doorbell, kneading bread, rock climbing, or playing marbles? Well done, it's rock climbing because the person climbing the wall needs to pull themselves up the wall in order to reach the top. Next question. Which force makes it possible for you to fall down? Is it gravity, magnetism, friction, or air resistance? Super, it's gravity. Gravity is what pulls us all to the centre of the earth and stops us all from floating around. If you held two bar magnets with their north poles facing each other, what do you think would happen? Would the magnets repel each other? Would they attract each other, or would nothing happen? Excellent, you should have remembered that if it is two north poles or even two south poles, the magnets will repel each other. If you held two bar magnets with one's north pole and the other south pole facing each other, what would happen? Would the magnets repel? Would they attract, or would nothing happen? Super, they would attract because they are opposite poles. Now, which of these four objects is magnetic? A drink can, a book, a mug, or a paperclip? Well done, if you said paperclip, that is correct, and that's the end of our quiz. Well done, guys. Now, your activity today is you are going to get the chance to design a game that uses magnetic forces to attract materials. And I've given you three options here that you can design, but if you think of something else, that's also fine to do. So we've got a racing game. So for this, you can draw a racetrack and design some cars or people to race on the track. And then you would attach a paper clip to each one and then hold a magnet under the track and control the racer and move it around the track because the paper clip will be attracted to the magnet. You could also do a fishing game if you fancied something different, and you could draw a pond and design some fish, and then you would attach a paper clip to each of the fish and put them in the pond. Then you could tie a magnet to a straw or a wooden stick with a length of string, and that would make the fishing rod. And then you would use the fishing rod to try and catch as many fish as you can from the pond. And the final option you can do is make a magnetic maze. So you can draw a maze, and it can be as complicated or as simple as you want. And then you would hold a magnet under the card and try to guide the paperclip around the maze. The aim could be to find the way to the centre of the maze or to find the way out. Whatever your design is, I would love to see it. Don't forget to send them to me. Well done for all your hard work this week.